Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. What was this guy on? Seriously? It was stated that this individual was protesting something to do with oil. Strange. I'm confused by what was happening here. Keep watching as you will see a second car. Are they related?
A few moments later.
Because the one base, that first one that my mom started with the one with the really forest.
Do you see that? Crash? God.
How do you even get on the wrong side of the highway? This is a good driver clip. Remember to be careful in the snow. Don't you just hate it when someone changes lanes, but 2 lanes at once? He doesn't need to see.
Look at this guy.
He can navigate with the smell of barbecue out there.
Driving down the road. I mean, this is f***ing nuts.
Where did that tire come from? Oh, look, a passing lane just for me. Walmart plus Americans. Only thing missing here is a truck. Out of context, but aren't some of the trucks in Europe just really high quality? Like, that's a whole Mercedes. Rolling through stop signs. That must have hurt. Watch how he limps back to his friend's car. Did they hit? This is how I get snow off of my rear window. I don't even think they were going speed limit. This is seriously dangerous here.
Customer states there is no spare tire.
This is the type of person to ask his mechanic to check the tires, because the tire shop told them to change the tires. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.